dear friends, welcome to the channel AKY Biotech. So today here again we are with a new video for you. We'll be discussing the questions which are important and have repeatedly been asked in the examination. So this question, it was asked in the previous video, that was the part 17 video, and it was like this, that identify the mismatch. So you were given the following options and you were to identify the mismatch. Alkaline phosphatase, it removes phosphate group present at the 5' end of DNA. DNA polymerase 1, that is for Nick translation. S1 endonuclease cleaves only single strand DNA, and DNase 1 cleaves only double stranded DNA. So the correct option out of this is that is the one which does not match, that is DNase 1, it cleaves only double stranded DNA. This one is the correct option. So DNase 1, that is deoxyribonuclease 1, it acts on single stranded DNA, double stranded DNA and chromatin. So this is not the correct option, that is it cleaves only double stranded DNA. So many have tried out this and they have answered it correctly. The following, those who have answered it correctly, they are Priyanka, Rajiv Kumar, Binu Tiwari, Sudhir Babu, Jyoti Singh, Neha Bodar, Karthik, Brainy Kids Point, Kashid, Deepak, Anuj, Jyoti Singh and Sarija Nair. It's 5:41. That is, match the columns A and B and select the correct option from those listed below. So you have the options in column A, you got to match it with column B. ARS. So the correct answer for this is, that is, these, they are present in case of yeast artificial chromosome, that is the YAC. Next is electroporation. This is electroporation, it is used in case of gene transfer. Next is the microsatellite DNA. So microsatellite DNA, it is used in DNA fingerprinting. Next, this is pulsed field gel electrophoresis, that is the PFGE. This is used in case of separation of whole chromosome. Moving to the next question, that is, which one of the following is a micronutrient of plants? So the correct option is, micronutrient is this one, that is the Mn manganese. So in case of plants, there are 7 essential plant nutrient elements defined as the micronutrients. They are as follows. The micronutrients, they include boron, zinc, manganese, iron, copper, molybdenum and the chlorine. So the macronutrients, what all they include? That is nitrogen, potassium, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus and the sulfur. Question number 543, that is P-Healthgate12. So this P-Healthgate12, it is a high throughput binary gateway vector. It has 2 introns for silencing genes in plants using intron containing hairpin RNA. So from itself, what I have the information given. So now this is clear that this is an RNAi vector. That is the correct option, the C part. Next, 544. In protein A, glutamic acid is replaced by glutamine. So there is a protein in which the glutamic acid, it is replaced by glutamine to make protein B. Which technique can resolve these two proteins? So how these two proteins can be differentiated? The correct answer to this is isoelectric focusing, IEF. That is the correct option. Coming up with the next question, that is 545 number. Competitive inhibition of an enzyme by competitive inhibitor can be overcome by simply, so this can be overcome by decreasing the concentration of the substrate. Yes, this one is the correct option, that is the increasing the concentration of the substrate. Next question, which one of the following receptors perceives blue light in plants? So which receptors they perceive blue light in plants? That is cryptochrome as well as the phototropin. Phytochrome, it perceives the red and the far red light, this one. (547) number. Which one of the following microorganisms can be effectively used as biocontrol agent? So, what can be used as a biocontrol agent? That is this Bacillus thuringiensis. Number 548. That is, which is not an RNA virus? So, please read it carefully. And I would like to say again that please subscribe the channel, because you will be getting all the latest updates of the questions and which we are putting nowadays, and I hope that you are getting benefit from all these videos, and also they will be helpful for you in the examination as well. So which is not an RNA virus? Coming to the question, that is, the correct answer to this is this one, HPV, that is the human papilloma virus. So what is has? It has the double-stranded DNA. So this is not an RNA virus. Rest, this paramyxovirus, HIV and the picornavirus, these all are the RNA viruses. Next question, which one of the following methods requires multiple sets of primers to detect more than one organism targeting multiple loci from the genomic DNA? So which method it is required? It requires the multiple set of primers to detect more than one organism. So more than one organism is targeting multiple loci from the genomic DNA. So the correct answer to this is, that is, this is known as the multiplex PCR. Question number 550. Which one of the following is the best suited for hydrolyzing peptide bonds on the carboxyl side of aromatic residues? So the best suited for hydrolyzing the peptide bonds on the carboxyl side of the aromatic residues, the correct answer to this is, that is A, chymotrypsin. So here comes a question for you. Kindly answer it, and please comment in the comment box. Give us the answer in the comment box, and we'll be discussing this question in our next video. The tDNA of Agrobacterium must be excised from its circular plasmid for its transfer into plant cells. Which one of the following complexes of Vir proteins is responsible for DNA nick at the left and the right border sequences? So which complex of the Vir proteins is responsible for this DNA nick at the left and the right border sequences? So you have the four options over here: Vir A, oblique Vir C, Vir B and Vir B7, Vir D1 and the Vir D2, Vir E2 and the Vir G. So pick up the correct option and kindly comment in the comment box. Dear friends, thank you so much for watching this video. I would like to say that please subscribe the channel so that you can get all the latest updates related to all the questions which we are uploading nowadays. These questions will be very helpful for you in the upcoming examinations, and please like and share the video.